Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to get cute symbols without using app. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So the process will be same for Android device and computer. So open your browser and type here cute symbols and open this first website, and inside of this website you will get unlimited cute symbols and you can select category from this menu. And for example, I want to use these symbols, so I'm going to copy these symbols from here and I'm going to my Facebook and I'm going to try to post the symbol here. Post. So this was how we can get unlimited cute symbols.
If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.